Hi all. When a translator begins his work, there are two procedures that must not be ignored: audience design and need analysis. These two aspects are the basis for a translator to produce a translation that is not only accurate but also effective in conveying the message to the reader or end user. Let's start with audience design. A good translator does not only translate word for word, but also understands who the audience is. Imagine we are translating an academic text. Is this text intended for academics, students, or perhaps the general public? If the translator does not consider this factor, the translation can be too technical for lay readers, or, conversely, too simple for academics. Therefore, before translating, we must determine who will read the text, what their level of understanding is, and the appropriate language style. Next is need analysis. The translator must understand the purpose of the translation being made. Will this translation be used as an academic reference, business presentation material, or technical instructions for product users? This need determines how the translator composes his text. If the purpose of the translation is for legal purposes, for example, then precision and accuracy of terms are top priorities. On the other hand, if the text is intended for marketing, then a persuasive and attractive language style will be more preferred. By understanding audience design and need analysis, a translator can produce a translation that is not only linguistically accurate, but also effective in conveying the message according to the user's needs. This is what distinguishes a translator who simply translates from a translator who truly understands the context of communication. So, if we want to be professional and competent translators, start by asking, who will read this translation and for what purpose is this text translated? The answers to these two questions will determine the quality of our translation results. Let us continue to hone these skills so that every translation we produce has maximum impact.